So, thank all of you for joining in today. Well, I probably think that no one has joined in today, but I have a new microphone, so that's really exciting. I'm just gonna play a bit of The Godfather. It's a bit slow. All right. My MacBook seems to have trouble already, but let's see what we got here. All right. Unstable. Hmm. What? I have 12 viewers. Why do I have 12 viewers? All right. Thank you guys for joining in. I really appreciate it. If the stream is oh, please, okay, that's kind of crazy. I have 12 viewers in like, I don't know, 5 minutes or 2 minutes. Okay, welcome. So today we're I'm gonna that's my phone. 1 second. So, thank you all for joining me. I have a new mic. I hope you guys can notice this. If you have any comments about the quality of the mic, if it's too loud or if it's too loud or if it's too soft, or if the stream is slow, because I feel like the stream is slow. Like, please let me know. And okay, so the stream is a bit lagging. Wait. It seems to be better now, right? It seems to be slightly better now. Yeah, so I got a new mic, so if it's too loud, if it's too soft, if you hear too much popping, please let me know. I think my stream should be stable now. At least Twitch says it's stable. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna shut down Chrome. Daddy.mp3. Yeah, I recorded something for a friend of mine. This was some Python code, but we are most interested in getting a CoLab Notebook up and running, right? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe my internet just decided to stop working. So the goal for today is to get a CoLab Notebook up and running. It's going to be a relatively short stream. I hope you guys like my Christmas sweater. And I hit my goal of 50 subs, so that is really nice. And I want to thank each and every one of you who was along there for the ride. So that's really nice. So let's get a Google search in here. No, let's first open Superwork to write down what what we're gonna do. Can you hear my keyboard? That would be awesome if you can hear my keyboard. I personally really like the clicky sound. So oh, thank you so much. Wait, some people subbed overnight. So we have Doogie Boo who subbed overnight. We have Mr. Meeseeks 69. We have Hungry Philosopher, MC Bola, and Meet Your Mothers. So thank you. I appreciate it. Okay, so the bitrate is dropping a bit. And let's see if we can finally open this thing here. So let's make a copy. I should probably just get it like a Hackintosh. Maybe I should get a Hackintosh. Right. Either my internet is really slow or my computer is really slow, or both. I mean, it should not take this long to open a Google spreadsheet, right? All right, so this is like excruciatingly slow. All right, it teaches me patience, I guess. So this is the 9th stream actually. So that's the 23rd of November. And today is gonna be a short stream. And today we are gonna. I actually just wanted to test out my mic. So please tell me if the audio quality is good, better, or worse. So I just want to fiddle around in CoLab. Want to maybe follow a tutorial. Why is this valuable and important? Well, yesterday we figured out that we didn't have the computing power nor the admin rights on the server to run any sensible machine learning algorithm. Right, so that was kind of a disappointment there. So how do we know if this is complete? Well, if we can run the CoLab notebook and get some output, I guess. Any risks? Yeah, internet, Reddit, social media. Hey Shinwon, hi, thank you so much for joining in again. It's so nice to see a familiar face. So yeah, now I reached the 50 follower mark. I don't really have any new goals, so now it's just gonna be machine learning from here on out. Is this ambiguous or concrete? It's quite concrete. Anything else noteworthy? Oh well, yes, we hit the 50 follower mark, so thank you all for that. Really exciting stuff. I have a new mic, so please give me comments on the quality of the audio. Yeah, so I'd like some comments on the quality of the audio. Like, is it good? Is it better? Is it worse? Can you guys still hear my keyboard? I have a Cherry MX Blue brown keyboard, which I really enjoy hearing. I like the feedback, the sound it makes, but I can imagine that people sometimes think it's annoying or something. All right, so my computer is really slow, but that's gonna. I feel a bit noisier. It's noisier. How is it possible? Is the quality better? Should I put it the volume down or something? The gain maybe a bit. Maybe it picks up more noise. Maybe it picks up all right, I adjusted the gain a bit. How can I say? I don't know. You tell me, right? Okay, and then what's the one thing I want to accomplish? So this session, I want to Google. I want to do a single Google search. Do a single Google search for CoLab Notebook. I could start the tutorial. And how will I get started? Google search. Hazards, internet, phone, most likely phone, I guess. So A bit improved. Okay. I guess I'm gonna set a timer for 45 minutes, and we have 45 minutes to do a single Google search. So let's see if we can get a single Google search in 45 minutes. So let's go for CoLab tutorial Google. Right? That makes a whole lot of sense. So looking for CoLab. What is a CoLab? It's not a collab, it's CoLab actually. It's free GPU. Okay. That's awesome. I'm just quickly gonna open Reddit on my other screen, and I'm gonna watch people code. I'm gonna plug my stream there. So www.twitch.tv Rainy Moody. So live now. Machine learning. Episode 9, CoLab Notebook. So let's post that. That is a URL, right? Click. Copy a link. No, you paste. No, that's not what I want. I want HTTPS. Copy, and then we paste it in here. All right, so let's post that. Let's post it again. So my computer is having quite some trouble. So I don't think if you guys can hear it, but my computer is making quite some noises, some fan noises. It picks it up maybe ever so slightly, right? So I really hope the audio is better now. And I have to post it to my friends as well. All right, so streaming right now. Wait a sec. All right. So let's get cracking on the notebook, shall we? So overall, how satisfied are you? I have no idea. I haven't used it yet. So hello, collaboratory. So welcome. Okay. Let's click on this. We can get rid of this, I guess. Try our new GPU accelerated runtime. So I'm gonna get rid of this code here. I'm gonna full screen this bad boy. So what are we greeted with? So I am logged in Gmail. So that's for sure. So we can see that I'm logged in Gmail. Then welcome to CoLaboratory. CoLaboratory is a free Jupyter notebook. Oops. I'm clicking everywhere. Is a free Jupyter notebook that requires no setup and runs entirely in the cloud. See our frequently asked questions for more info. So this is exactly what we're looking for, right? Because my computer is not strong enough to run the algos, and my server that we tried yesterday is not strong enough either. So yeah, if you have any questions, hey guys, if you have any questions about the previous papers we studied, I tried to update my history in my panels a bit. So if you see any paper there, and if you have any questions about the paper, like really specific or like really high level, I'm more than willing to answer them. Yeah. Wait, maybe if I hide the preview here, that might work or something. So yeah, so highlighted features. So overview of Collaboratory. Should I click here? If I click here, or should I just highlighted features? Visualization. So this just kind of looks like a Jupyter notebook, right? So looking for CoLab notebooks to learn from, check out Seedbank. TensorFlow. CoLab allows you to execute TensorFlow with a single click. So we have some TensorFlow code. So we import TensorFlow. Input 1 is ones with dimension 2 and 3. You have ads? Wow. You have ads? I don't get paid for them. That's horrible. Output and a with TF session result is output eval. All right. Save. Okay, GitHub is not necessary yet. Use widely used libraries like matplotlib. Okay, so you can just plot anything. Use pip install. The library can be used anywhere else in a notebook. All right, that's awesome. But you have to put a command in front of it, right? You have to put a bang in front of it. Okay. Forms can be used to parameterize the code. All right, that's cool. Number slider. You can use a number slider over there. Text value is param. Date input. That's awesome. Number slider. Awesome. All right, that's cool. Okay. Local runtime. Sure. All right, so let's get started. Let's see what get a click of an overview here. This is really cool. Is it better now? It's like roughly let me see. I think I have a ruler here. So this thing is 15 centimeters. So this is 15 centimeters from my face now. I think it should be 6 inches, which is like 15 centimeters. I have it set on the cardioid setting, which takes in all the audio in front of me. So maybe it's like, I hope the quality is better. Hey Greenie, 996. Glad to have you again, man. I have a new mic. Can you notice it? How's the audio? Like, I have a new mic. It like just arrived today. So awesome. I set it up. Setting it up was so smooth, and hopefully the audio is now like orders of magnitude better. At least I hope so. It feels that way, at least. Maybe I can do like ASMR now. Look at this. Yeah. I have like 55 followers now, and I can now monetize my channel, which was my super secret master plan all along. Yeah, I still have to set everything up. I still have to do the whole Twitch affiliate thing. Maybe I can like tap. Does this work? Okay, that was a joke. This is not an ASMR channel. This is a machine learning channel, and maybe some ASMR on the side. Okay, so we were trying to get. Okay, so I think we achieved our goal, right? Our goal was to. Wow, this is weird. Do you guys see this? This is so weird that like my code is out of focus. Huh? What? Huh? All right. That's interesting. I hope I'm not the only one that sees this right now, but it's not sharp at all. Let's try again. Okay, so the goal was to do a single search for a CoLab network. Well, we did that. So so we achieved our goal. That's good. So we can get rid of this? No, okay. So a notebook is a list of cells. A cell contains either explanatory text or executable code and its output. Click a cell to select it. So it's just a Jupyter notebook, right? So I can type here, maybe I can type A plus B, and if I now do Shift Enter, it tries to execute it, but of course it will error because B is not defined. At least I hope so. Okay, that's good. So, but if we type like square root np square root, import np, import np square root of -10. Let's see what this gets results in. Import is failing. Okay, because we import numpy as np, my bad. Invalid value. Okay, so that's fine. So let's try 9. Okay, so it's just a cool Jupyter notebook, but where the backend runs at Google server. So that's something we are really happy with. So you have code cells, we have text cells. This is a text cell. You can double click it. Text cells use markdown syntax. You can also add math, which is rendered with math jacks. Just put the statements. Okay, so is it possible to get like aligned text? So let's see if we can do maybe like double $signs, and then we have begin, align, end, align, and in between we have some stuff. So that actually works as well. So that is really cool. So let's say we have a squared equals plus b squared equals c squared. That also works. That is awesome. Hey, Daddy Spooklord. Hey, Daddy Spooklord. I don't think I've seen you before. Thank you so much for joining. I have a new mic, so please, if you think the audio is good, please let me know. If you think the audio is bad, also let me know. So basically just hit me up with the comments on the audio, because I'm really excited about using this new mic. Greeny says, want to know a trick? Pickle your model and use the curl command to upload to transfer.sh. Then you can download the model onto your server, onto your own PC. So pickle your model, use curl command to upload it to transfer .sh. Then you can download the model onto your own PC. You mean the trained one? Oh, that's radical. Yeah, I'm gonna write that down, man. I'm gonna write that down. That's a good idea. So let's write that down in the Emacs file we have open here. So Greeny996 says, if you pickle your model, then you can curl upload it to transfer.sh and then download the model onto your own PC. That is awesome. You're just stealing like processing power from Google. Anyway, so for those who haven't, for those who are new, or for those who haven't seen me before, I stream. My name is Jan, and I stream some machine learning related stuff. We hope to do a lot of programming, but sometimes we end up doing more theory than programming. But because I think that you need to know, like, you don't need to know the math. Well, I do think you need to know the math if you want to program something in, right? If you want to program something in from scratch, it's always nice to know the math. So we did a lot of stuff already. We did neural networks, we did GANs, we did convolutional neural networks, we did style transfer, and then we did fast neural style transfer. And we did one quick blog post from Chris Ola. I think in the history you can find what I did, or what we did rather. But right now we are working our way through the standard tutorial for a CoLab notebook, because our computer is not strong enough to run anything on its own. So we want to use the GPUs from Google and see what we can do with that, right? So I'm gonna, on the left gutter, run cell in place. I think I'm gonna write down these. I think I'm gonna write down these shortcuts here. I kind of want to do it in kind of a temp file, not necessarily in like this project ideas, but whatever. So CoLab notes, right? So we have command enter or return is a run cell. Then we have shift enter, which is run cell and move to next. Alt enter is a run cell and insert new below. All right, so let's try that out. So if we type Alt Enter now, we should run it and insert new cell. We type Shift Enter, we should run it and then go to the next one. All right, that's cool. So usually you just run everything at once, right? So runtime, you run all. So run all is Command Control F9. That's it. All right, Command Control F9. F9. You can add cells by using the plus code plus text buttons. You can move a cell, click up down, work with Python. CoLab is built on top of a Jupyter notebook. All right, keyboard Control M. So Command MI to stop execution. All right, so let's try and run this. And let's try interrupting this. So we type Command MI. Ooh, that went differently than expected. So Control MI. Hello, Control MI. That's my email. Oops. Thank you so much. Who followed me? Thank you so much, Daddy Spooklord, for the follow. I really appreciate it. You're my 56th follower, so thank you so much. So I had 30 seconds and I failed in making this boy sleep. So let's try again. So Control M and then we do I. Control M. All right. So Control MI is interrupt. So Control M plus I is interrupt. Okay, so I'm getting some notes from Sir Nightlord, which I have seen before. So thank you for joining in again. That the stream is lagging. So what I'm gonna do about that is I'm gonna try and run it on Chrome because I don't know. I like Chrome, but I like Safari as well. So it says that my encoding is overloaded. Consider turning down the video settings or using a faster encoding setting. So I'm so sorry that the stream is lagging. 6 FPS. Yes. I dropped 200 frames, so that's 0.5%. I hope that the audio is still like I hope the audio is still good. Okay, I'll try to shut everything down that I can here. So I'm gonna shut this down. We can shut this down. I mean, not that this matters, right? Because alright, so let's try it on Chrome. Alright, so now it's fixed again. So I don't know what that was. Yeah, it's like, oh, okay, it's gonna lag again, guys, because I just got another, it just said another encoding overload. So I'm gonna shut this down. I'm gonna go to our CoLab CoLab. Yeah, so internet is really slow because I'm streaming, right? So I apologize for the bad Wi-Fi today. I'm not sure what's happening. Like, my Wi-Fi is supposed to be better, but yeah, my internet is like really slow today. I don't hope it's something on my part, because I'm watching my stream. There's like a video preview of the stream, and I see it's really lagging. So I'm just gonna sit back here and relax a bit. Run as p-test. So it says that my stream health is excellent now. I have 3.5 kilobytes per second bitrate, which should be decent. Try using 5G if you have an Asus router. Yeah, but so I do have an Asus router, but if I now change my internet, the stream will stop, right? The stream will stop and I'll have to reboot it. Right? And I kind of hate interrupting the stream, because then I have to add like another, I have to make it like part 1, and I have like episode 9 part 1, and I think that's kind of annoying. Okay, so I hope it's fine now. It said it was fine, and then it started again, and now it says it's fine again. So I have no. Just do it. Just do it. Please don't sue me, Nike. Okay, so let's go back to the CoLab notebook. So the CoLab notebook is just a Jupyter notebook with a backend on steroids, and hopefully we can run some algorithms on that and see how the algorithms work, and hopefully we can experiment a bit with all the algorithms like fast neural style transfer, etc., etc., etc. So what is the encoding I should like, what encoding should I put in? Wait, maybe I can stream from my... No, wait. I have to show you guys my screen, of course, right? So I can't stream from my big computer. Unless... No, that's impossible. So should I turn the bitrate down, or like, what is the... Okay, so I'm gonna try 5G. So I'm just gonna try 5G. So we might get kicked off here, and I'm just gonna see if it works. Stream will be interrupted, but I will start streaming again. So let's try, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.